Hello, it's meteorologist Angus Hines at the Bureau of Meteorology. Let's check out the weather for Wednesday, the 22nd of July. And we've got two high pressure areas, one to the southeast, one to the southwest. They kind of look like wheels on a bike across the country. And in between the two, a little bit of action with a trough and a cold front, which will bring some rain to southern parts on Wednesday. Also some cool temperatures coming in with this weather system. Elsewhere across the nation, it is fairly settled, dry and sunny winter weather continuing for central and northern areas. But we will see a continuation of some showers around the North Tropics, and that actually continues what has been quite a wet winter around the Cairns area, also a little bit south of Cairns too. Further south, very little chance of showers from Townsville down to Bundaberg, maybe one or two very light showers across the southeast. Elsewhere across Queensland, a fairly settled and sunny day, although we'll see some areas of fog through the southern interior and perhaps down towards the southeast coast as well, and it could stay partly cloudy right throughout the day here, even during the times of no rainfall. A bright and sunny day continues for New South Wales. It will be another clear one for most areas on Wednesday, but we will see that wind starting to pick up after lunch. A gusty westerly starting to blow in. That will affect Sydney, but they should stay sunny with a high of 21. Not much rain in the state, but there's a chance of an afternoon or evening shower in the southwest slopes and plains and the snowy mountains. Shouldn't reach Canberra though. They'll see a high of 14 under bright skies. A cold front will graze southern parts of Victoria during the day tomorrow, bringing a couple of light showers, particularly from lunchtime onwards, mostly on and south of the mountain ranges. We might see one or two very isolated showers through our northern districts as well. The rainfall will be light. The front will also bring in some cold temperatures, and we'll see things start to cool off during the afternoon. And with the rain and cold temperatures coming in, we will also see some snow flurries. Now, the snow could fall across the northeastern ranges above about 1,200 metres on Wednesday night, but that level will drop even lower on Thursday. A spell of rain for most of Tasmania on Wednesday. It will be heaviest in the west. We'll see certainly some rain compiling across northern parts, just some patchy falls really across southeastern Tasmania, so not too much for Hobart expected. Cold temperatures kick in here through the afternoon and evening, really bringing down that snow level. We could see snow flurries down as low as 400 metres by Wednesday evening, and then overnight into Thursday morning that drops even further, with the possibility of a little bit of snow about some of the higher suburbs and hills around Hobart, and certainly some of the higher roads across southern and western Tasmania. So definitely keep that in mind as we head into Thursday morning with some low snow levels. We will see a little bit of rainfall across the entire southern coastline of South Australia on Wednesday, mostly during the afternoon, and that means anyone from the southeast coast of Mount Gambier right out to the WA border could see a little bit of rainfall, 1 to 5 millimetres, not a lot landing in the gauges there. That includes the peninsulas, the Mount Lofties, that includes the Adelaide region, but just low totals everywhere. A cool southwest breeze keeps temperatures in the low or mid-teens. Northern parts stay bright and sunny, but will cool off towards evening. Out to the west, we've got fairly settled and slightly cool conditions for the southern half of Western Australia. A touch of rainfall possible across southern facing coastlines. Outside of that, it will be dry across the state. Partly cloudy, certainly for areas south of Geraldton. Perth, a high of 18 degrees and fairly bright skies. Really sunny across the state's northwest. Gusty southeasterly winds across northern Australia on Wednesdays, actually delivering some high fire danger ratings through a couple of areas, including around the Darwin region. Also some high fire dangers across parts of the Pilbara coastline. There will be very little by way of cloud and nothing by way of rainfall across this part of the country tomorrow. It will be bright but a little breezy. If you want more information about your local forecast, find your spot on the Bureau website or app, or check back in here tomorrow. Thanks for watching.